Welcome to Timeless Rustic Journey, where the whispers of the past meet the charm of the present, your go-to haven for rustic inspiration. Rustic charm meets shabby chic, DIY tips for the perfect cabin look. Whether you're decorating a vacation cabin, a rustic home, or just want to add some farmhouse flair to your space, we'll be showing you how to blend rustic and shabby chic styles to create the perfect cozy retreat. In this video, we'll be sharing some DIY tips and tricks that you can do on a budget to make your space feel both inviting and stylish. From color palettes to furniture updates to those perfect little finishing touches, I've got you covered. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into the world of rustic chic decor. Tip number 1. Set the stage with neutral color. First up, neutral tones. You can't go wrong with soft whites, creams, and light grays for the perfect rustic chic base. These colors allow you to combine natural wood finishes with soft vintage touches in the most harmonious way. Why it works: neutral tones create a calm, cozy atmosphere while also allowing your rustic elements to stand out. Imagine soft beige walls paired with dark reclaimed wood beams. Beautiful, right? How to use neutral tones. Walls. If your cabin has exposed wooden walls, consider lightening them with a soft white or ivory paint. If you're working with a more modern cabin or a painted wall, choose a muted gray or warm beige to create that earthy, rustic vibe. Furniture. Opt for neutral fabrics on your furniture. A beige linen sofa or off-white chairs with a weathered wooden frame are perfect examples. DIY tip: if you have a dark piece of furniture, like a vintage dresser, give it a fresh look by lightly sanding it and painting it with soft chalk paint in a neutral shade. This gives it that rustic, shabby chic feel without completely hiding the natural grain of the wood. Tip number 2. Blend textures, mixing soft and rough. One of the key aspects of shabby chic decor is the mixing of textures. You want to balance the softness of fabrics with the roughness of wood and metal. This creates a sense of warmth and richness in the room. Soft textiles, think linen, cotton, lace, and ruffles. These delicate textures are perfect for the shabby chic side. Rough materials. For the rustic side, focus on distressed woods, leather, burlap, and galvanized metal. How to incorporate textures. Throws and pillows. Add soft throw blankets in pastel shades or muted floral prints. Layer them on a neutral colored sofa for that perfect blend of rustic and shabby chic. Curtains. Light linen curtains in a soft beige or white will soften the natural light coming in and keep the space feeling airy. DIY tip. Want a budget-friendly DIY? Take an old burlap sack, cut it to size, and make a rustic throw pillow cover. It's inexpensive and looks amazing against soft, worn-out cushions. Tip number 3. Incorporate natural elements. Rustic meets nature in the bathroom. Rustic decor is all about bringing nature indoors, and the bathroom is the perfect place to introduce these organic touches for a spa-like, cozy retreat. Wood accents. Opt for reclaimed wood vanities, open wooden shelving, or a rustic wooden ladder for towel storage. These elements add warmth and texture, pairing beautifully with the shabby chic aesthetic. Metal accents. Incorporate vintage-style brass or iron fixtures, such as an antique-inspired faucet, wrought iron towel racks, or hanging lantern-style light fixtures. These touches enhance the rustic charm. How to use natural elements in the bathroom. Wooden accents. Consider adding floating wooden shelves for extra storage, a reclaimed wood-framed mirror, or a wooden stool beside the bathtub for a functional yet stylish touch. Stone and brick. If your bathroom has a brick or stone wall, let that natural texture shine. Keep it raw for a rustic vibe or whitewash it for a soft, shabby chic effect. A stone sink or pebble flooring can also add a natural spa-like feel. Tip number 4. Organizing with vintage and antique finds in an open storage room. An open storage room is the perfect place to showcase vintage accessories while keeping things functional and stylish. With a shabby chic touch, you can turn everyday storage into a beautiful display filled with character and charm. Key elements for a shabby chic open storage room. Antique shelving and cabinets. Opt for distressed wood shelves or open cabinets with a whitewashed or pastel finish to create a soft vintage look. Vintage containers. Use wooden crates, wicker baskets, or repurposed tin cans for storing small items while maintaining a rustic aesthetic. Soft accents. Lace doilies, floral fabrics, and pastel-colored glass jars can soften the overall look and add romantic charm. How to style an open storage room with vintage finds. Display with purpose. Arrange vintage wine bottles, old books, and antique trinkets on open shelves. Mixing different textures, such as glass, aged wood, and ceramic, adds depth to the space. Repurpose antique pieces. An old wooden ladder can serve as a unique shelving unit, while vintage suitcases can double as stylish storage for linens or seasonal decor. Utilize mason jars and glass containers. Painted or distressed mason jars make excellent storage for small items like spices, craft supplies, or bathroom essentials. Tip number 5. Creating a cozy fire pit and outdoor kitchen for the perfect cookout. No cabin retreat is complete without an inviting outdoor space for gathering, cooking, and enjoying the fresh air. A fire pit and outdoor kitchen bring warmth and functionality, making your backyard the perfect place for cozy nights and rustic cookouts. Fire pit essentials. Stone or brick fire pit. A built-in or freestanding fire pit creates a rustic focal point. Opt for natural stone or weathered brick to enhance the cozy aesthetic. Seating with comfort. Arrange Adirondack chairs, wooden benches, or even repurpose tree stumps around the fire pit. Add soft cushions and throw blankets for an extra cozy touch. String lights and lanterns. Enhance the atmosphere with warm, glowing lights. Use vintage lanterns or string fairy lights around the area for a magical evening ambience. Outdoor kitchen and cookout must-haves. Rustic grill and cooking station. Whether it's a stone-built grill, a cast-iron fire pit grill, or a classic charcoal setup, make sure your outdoor kitchen has the right tools for cooking hearty meals. Wooden prep table or countertop. Use a reclaimed wood table for prepping food, or repurpose an old workbench for a farmhouse-style outdoor kitchen setup. Storage solutions. Keep utensils, plates, and grilling essentials handy in weatherproof crates, vintage cabinets, or wall-mounted hooks for an organized space. How to style your fire pit and outdoor kitchen. Incorporate natural elements. Use wood, stone, and wrought iron to create a timeless and rugged aesthetic. Add cozy touches. Place plaid or linen table runners on outdoor tables, and use rustic trays for serving food and drinks. DIY firewood storage. Stack firewood in an old metal tub or a wooden crate for a practical and stylish touch. And there you have it. Our favorite DIY tips to create the perfect rustic chic cabin. By blending neutral tones, vintage finds, natural elements, and personal touches, you can transform your space into a cozy, inviting retreat that's full of charm and personality. If you enjoyed these tips and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications on our latest videos. We'd also love to hear about your rustic chic projects. Drop a comment below and let me know how you're adding a little bit of shabby chic to your cabin or home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!